always had time for us. Our mothers also had a favorite show on TV. Most of us would not be informed about that. But did they ever let that come between their motherhood? They would come curl up with us on the couch to watch stupid cartoons. They would be with us while we were playing our favorite music and reading a favorite comic. At the end of the day, their entertainment would be in spending time together with us. On this Mother's Day, maybe we can let our moms pick the TV show or the Flicks movie. Always gave up her quiet time. As children, we might have been more than a little unpredictable, yelling in anger one minute and laughing gleefully the next. For every human being, quiet time is rare and precious, but they would always give that up and spend time with us while we were howling till the roof. We might not scream as adults now, but for Mother's Day we can shout, "Thank you for letting me scream in my childhood." Always keeping us first. Our mothers consistently put us first, making us the number one priority in their life. Her priority list would always have us on the top. Mother's Day might just be the perfect time for saying thank you for always keeping me first and above everybody else. Always made sure we ate. A full belly is a contented belly. Whether our mother's contentment got fulfilled or not, they made sure that ours were. From amazing dinners at home to occasional meal outs, they made sure we ate properly. Sometimes they would let us have the very last bite of the aloo paratha on their plate, even though they might still be hungry. It's a good time to definitely say them a big thank you for keeping us fed and let them enjoy for once a meal made by us. Always there in sickness and health. The incredible women called mothers don't have a day off from motherhood. They're always there to take care of us whether we are healthy or sick. Furthermore, whether the mothers themselves are healthy or sick. They would not forget to take care of us. We won't be able to repay the loss of their health back then, but we can surely make their day cheerful by saying them a big thank you. Always giving us the best, even at their worst. Didn't our moms have had bad days? As children, we might have been unaware about their moods due to financial, physical, or psychological reasons. But our mothers were always available to us, come what may. They were there for us in their worst and gave us more than we ever deserved. They gave up their hobbies, their dreams, and their targets, making us the best accomplishment they had. And at the end of the day, they would even say, "The best that ever happened to me was you, child." This Mother's Day, let's tell them that we will be with you in your worst, if at all anything happens.